So we have masked the last and we are going to start immediately. So we are going to measure from here down here 1 inch. That is where the pattern has to pass through from the cone. So we have to leave that allowance for fitting. And also remember, from here to here is 3.5 inch. So the pattern has to fall from that measurement. So we'll start from here and then from the cone. So watch closely. Remember, in pattern making you have to be artistic, so to get all the shape needed. So after that we're going to measure from here, from this line here to here, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. And also the pattern has to start from this side, from the front, and we take it again from the line this way, and we measure again from the line to here, 1.5 inch also, 1.5 inch. Then after that we measure from here towards this area, 1.4 inch, 1.4 inch. That is at the center of that two measurements. At the center of that 1.5 inch, the two measurements, you measure 1.4 inch from here. And then you begin to join the 1.5 inch with from that 1.4 inch. So you're going to have a U shape on that area. You're going to have a U shape. So at this point also we are going to reduce the 1.5 inch. We're going to place our tape somewhere here, and then somewhere around the center of that 1.5 inch, and then we're going to measure 1 inch, 1 inch. And then you're going to take your strap line towards that measurement, that 1 inch measurement, because you know it has to be tiny at that end to allow our hook to go in. You know, the length of our hook is 1 inch, so the strap at that point should also be 1 inch. So the strap has to be long a bit, because the hook has to go in and the strap will be bent and then sewn. You understand? So that is why we have to make it long a bit. And also we are going to do the same on this side. We're going to place our tape at the center of that 1.5 inch, and then we measure 1 inch, and then we draw the strap line towards that 1 inch measurement. I'm trying to make sure I get the line properly. so, so that there won't be any mistake. So you can see what we have here. We are done with this part of the drawing. You can see that. So last thing now, we're going to cut the pattern out and then develop the pattern. So as always, once you peel the pattern from the last, you place it on your cardboard sheet. Make sure you place it properly and always avoid too much creeps so that you will be able to get the actual shape of the pattern without missing any part of it. So you have to be careful and you have to gradually put it on the cardboard paper. So after placing the pattern on the cardboard paper, you use your pencil to put places that needs to be put in order. You make sure you put them in order, the round shapes, the curves if necessary. So now you place your ruler on this area because you're going to take a straight line down this way, you understand? And also at the front here too, you have to do the same. Then you draw a straight line. You have to make this pattern long enough because you know the width of your birkenstock sole will take a lot of leather, so you have to make it long. So you take 1.5 inch at the front of the pattern as your lasting allowance, and at the back side you give allowance of 2 inch. So it is better that you have excess during lasting than you have shortage. So if you have a excess during your lasting, you just cut the excess off. It is better that it is better that you have excess instead of having shortage. So it is advisable. So you can also in this process make sure that all your measurements are correct. Understand? So now that we are done with the development and also fixing the shape, the next thing we are going to cut the pattern into shape. So after cutting the pattern into shape, you have to replace it. I was supposed to draw a center line before this drawing, but I have to take the center line now. So make sure you draw the center line before doing your drawing, or you can still use this process. So because we're going to be needing that center line, so I'm just taking it now. So it is more easy that you draw the center line before your drawing, you understand, as the case may be. So now this center line will help us to locate where we're going to fix our hook. So this is our hook. So you see our hook went into the strap easily, and we're going to fold it this way. And let's try this one too. You can see that. So we are done with this part of the pattern. You can see that. So let's work on the other small parts of the pattern. This time we're going to make a straight strap. So we're going to make a straight strap. You are going to measure 1.5 inch as the width of the strap. 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. So you can see the strap. This for the front. So the width from here to here is 1.5 inch. Then the length is 5 inch. 5 inch. Then you give this place a round shape. A round shape. Then you mark here. This will indicate which one is for the front. So this is the second one. Here to here you have 6.5 inch, the width 1.5 inch also. Then you shape the edge here. Then this one is for the magic tape. The length is 4.2 inch. You shape the edge here, and then the width is 1 inch. You fold it this way into 2 equal parts. So the male magic tape is going to be on this side, the female on this side. So it comes this way, open. So now finally these holes, you're going to mark it on your leather to indicate the center line. So it will help us to know where our hook is going to stop at. So from here to here, 1/2 inch, that is where our hook has to stop at. So you measure from the center line 1/2 inch, then you fold on that measurement like this. So and this one is going to come this way. So from here down here you measure 1 inch. That is where you have to fix your magic tape housing. From here down here 1 inch. Open, close, open, close. So and you're going to have it like this. So you see it. So it is all very simple if you follow the whole procedure and process. So we're going to check to see how it looks on the last. So you can see how the pattern looks. You can see that if you have any question or you have any confusing part, you can drop your question in the comment box. And also don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get update because more video will be coming up. So thank you for watching this video. Like it and share it. Have a nice day and see you in our next video.